Quadratic Maths Made Easy YouTube channel presented by Trinomial. Factorizing the quadratic expressions. Example number 10. Factorize x squared plus 5x plus 6. Each time we do factorization, each time we look for the factors, we always check if there is any common factor. And then here you can see there's no common factor. And then you check if you've got the difference of squares. And you can see it's not there. And then if it's a trinomial, you check if it's a perfect square. Well, of course, 6 is not a square number. So next you use the AND method or any other method that you know. So for me, I'll demonstrate to you the AND method for the next many examples. Right. So for this one, you can see that A is 1 and B is equals to 5 and C is equals to 6. So the factors of or A is 1. So you put the factors of A here. 1 times 1. So A equals to 1. So actually can only be 1 times 1. And then here you put the factors of C. Factors of C, we'll put them here. So now C is equal to 6. C is equal to 6. So it can be 6 times 1 or it can be 3 times 2. And so you go back to the highest common factor, lowest common factors in the earlier videos. But anyway, here, so the first factor of 6, okay, the x squared factors, the A, you write it here as 1, but you don't write a 1. So you 1x, nada, and here you write 1x. And then the factors of 6, but 6 is positive. So when 6 is positive, either the factors are both positive, so positive times positive, you get a positive, or they are both negative. Negative and negative, you get a positive as well, because you are multiplying them. So we've got the first one is 6 and 1. So what you do is you multiply 1 by, here, you must get the P. And the P here is a positive 5. Yeah? So since C is positive also, so here P is positive, it means that this is equal to P. It means that your C factors will be both positive. And then what you do is, your factors of A is 1 and 1, 1 times 1. Your factors of C, the first one that you start with is 1 times 1. So you cross multiply. Right. So multiply 1 times 1, you get a 1. Multiply 1 times 6, you get a 6. And 6 plus 1 is 7, so it's not 5. But anyway, say when you group them, group them like this. So 1 and 6. So 6 will be here and 1 will be here. So, but now when you multiply 1 by 1, you get a 1. And multiply 1 by 6, you get a 6. 1 plus 6 is 7. So it's not a 5. So this one is not a correct answer. So this one is not right. And then you try again. So we have to try the other factors. So x plus x plus. Now what you do again, you come here and then you got a 3 and a 2, which are the factors of C. And then you multiply the 1 by 2, you get a 2. Multiply this one by 3, you get a 3. And then you add the 3 to the 2, you get a 5. So your factors will be 1, yeah, times 3, 1 plus 3, x plus 3, and then the other one will be x plus 2. So this is the correct answer, because when you multiply that, you get a 5. So x times 2, you get 2. 3 times x, you get 3x, and then you add to get 5. So this is the correct answer. So that's the N method. I'm going to do question 11, 12, and 13, which is somehow similar to this one, using the L method. So I'm going to be a little bit quicker. Please share with others. Thank you.